All right, we're going to do a cold start today on this 2018 Jayco Seneca with a wonderful Freightliner chassis under it. So we're going to try a cold start, and here we go. Hood opens really nice. These are really nice rigs. All right, here we go with the cold start. All right. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and run it on through until the low air kicks off. This truck hasn't ran for at least 24 hours. So we'll show you how long it takes to get the low air out of idle. Motor sounds wonderful. This thing's like a 340 to 360 horsepower Cummins 6.7 liter. Really nice truck with the Allison transmission in it. No smoking, no pets in this thing. It's clean, nice and smelly. It smells like a brand new truck. Okay, there goes your low air. It's been shut off now, so that took, what, about a minute? So everything seems to be working good in that aspect. The bag component up now and everything else. We got four-wheel air brakes. So that's the cold start for the day, and there we go. All right. All right, and that was the cold start. I love that leveling hood like that. That's pretty cool stuff. So, but that was your cold start. Runs great, sounds great. So next thing we'll be doing is a test drive.